So breaking XRP news, this just in today. We've got a timetable in terms of what Judge Torres is thinking for the next big moment in the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit. We're going to break all of that down in this video, guys. Real quick, let's take a look at XRP versus the overall market right now. XRP down about 5% in the last week, but it is up about 2% in the last 24 hours. Actually, going against the grain a little bit. Crypto has pulled back. Overall market cap down a little bit here in the last 24 hours. We could see that crypto slightly down. We're back to just under 29,500. Interestingly enough, Bitcoin spiked over 30K, but it was just for a moment in time before we came back down. We'll see if we can have another rally at some point later today. But XRP, one of the gainers here in the top 10, actually in the green still, up 2%, sitting at about 65 cents. That's a little bit better than where we were a week ago, of course. And you know, we dialed back actually below 60 cents briefly there and rallied above 64 cents right now, close to 65. But the bigger story here is the timetable that we just got recently. So Eleanor Terrett, shout out to her on Twitter, fantastic stuff as always, and we're actually trying to get Eleanor on the channel very, very soon. Our schedules are always kind of conflicting, but very, very soon we're going to have Eleanor on and kind of talk about this. She's been right at the forefront of this entire XRP case. Now it says, new information, Judge Torres says the court will seek to schedule a jury trial for the SEC Gov Ripple case in the second calendar quarter of next year. So we're looking at Q2 2024 for Torres to basically hopefully we'll see the court seek to schedule a jury trial for that. So no date has been set just yet. However, that's what they're looking for. Torres has ordered both parties to submit blackout dates for trial by Wednesday, August 23rd. See the full deadline schedule below. Here it is. Let's go over this and highlight it. By August 23rd, 2023, the parties here, SEC versus Ripple, the parties shall submit blackout dates for trial. Then, later this year, December 4th, the parties shall submit any motions and then oppositions to any motions shall be submitted by December 18th. Then again, by December 4th, 2023, all parties shall submit all required pretrial filings, including their proposed joint pretrial order, request to charge, verdict form, and any questions in accordance with paragraphs VB, VC, and VD of the court's individual practices in civil cases. And one other deadline here on the same date, December 4th, the party shall deliver to the court one copy of each documentary exhibit sought to be admitted, pre-marked and assembled sequentially in a loose leaf binder or in separate manila folders labeled with the exhibit numbers and placed in a suitable container for ready reference in accordance with paragraph VC of the court's individual practices in civil cases. So the court shall schedule a final pretrial conference then upon setting a date certain for trial. Again, their target now is Q2 of 2024. So from now until then, I don't think much is going to change, right, with this Ripple XRP lawsuit, at least from a standpoint, at least from this standpoint, from the legal standpoint, from the ongoing Ripple SEC lawsuit standpoint. I'm sure there's going to be a ton of information coming out. We'll be covering it. So make sure you guys subscribe down below. But let me know what you guys think about this. It looks like we have a path, at least forward, in terms of the next jury trial for this case, Q2 2024, and important deadlines here this year, August 23rd and December 4th for all these kind of things to be scheduled and given into Judge Torres before we head into 2024. So that's what we've got for you, this breaking XRP news update. Shout out to Eleanor for putting this out on Twitter. Just wanted to make sure everybody saw it here on YouTube as well. And don't forget to subscribe down below. We'll see you in the next video.